today I'm doing my group play, but first I'm going to update my watch hour tracker. And I have 2,224 watch hours. So I can color in another play button. And we're getting there. And thank you for everyone that's been watching my videos, even though I didn't post much this week because of my internet being out. And we're almost halfway. And this tracker is from Hustle Budget Repeat, and she's on Etsy if you're interested in the tracker. And now I'm going to do the group play. I'm going to start with mine. And we'll do this one. $5. And I'll finish it next week. And thank you for everyone that's been doing my group play. And my next one will be in December, and I'll start mailing them out in November. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then next up is from Grammy's Journey, Gracie, and I'll do this one down here. $7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. And then Ellie on Earth. And we'll do this one. $1. And then last up is Elaine Realizes, Woods of Winter. And we'll do this one. $8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'll add 2 to the back. Oops. One, 2. And then this is Gracie's for group play for October. So that's all I'm going to do today. And I'll be back for Monday minis on Monday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I hope the ones that are out east with dealing with the storm, I hope you guys are all safe, and hopefully you get, if your power's out, I hope you get it on soon. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.